We are right now at the CII Green Business Center in Shilparamam in Hyderabad, and if you look around, this is one of the latest installed rooftop solar plant from the house of Sunshot Technologies. This particular plant is a bit different from the normal ones that you see, and the fact is, as you see, these are what we call bifacial modules. So these are double glass modules. You will not see it having an aluminium frame or things like that. Being bifacial modules, there is no PID losses per se. And then you will see the whole roof we have painted, spick and span white by using distemper. The whole idea of the distemper is, first, it reflects as much amount of sunlight as possible back. So this module not only generates power from the photons falling from the top, it also generates power from the photons which are getting reflected from the surface, and hence the output, the yield is way higher. The other beauty about the building is that because it's a white reflective paint that they have used, you would see that even under clear sunrise, the temperature of this particular concrete is almost 10-15 degrees centigrade lower than a normal concrete that you will have, which is kind of exposed to sun. So with that, the top floor of the building remains really cool, and that also substantially brings down the HVAC load on the building. Then at the back side, if you would see, that's another system that we have put, again bifacial modules, but those modules are there with trackers. So you have single axis trackers, which again make the module follow the sun like a sunflower, and that improves the yield even further. So the whole idea about this building is to demonstrate the net zero concept that CII-GBC is trying to promote. That is, all major energy guzzling commercial industrial buildings should use a lot of solar as a building material on the rooftop, on the glass facades, etc. Paint most of the roofs, spick and span white, because it reflects the sunlight as well as it keeps the temperature of the top floor of the roof less. So this is like a concept that Sunshot Technologies has brought to CII along with a Swedish company called PPM Solcraft. So these modules are manufactured by PPM Solcraft, and our whole aim with this is that if more and more large commercial buildings who are energy guzzling houses can adopt this kind of a green technology to bring down their overall energy footprint, it would be great for our country. So as you would see, this is a tracker based system that we have put. So this tracker moves typically along with the sun's direction, and to maximize the generation that's happening on this particular surface, we have also given a good quality, high quality mirror. This mirror basically reflects the sunlight more into the solar cell and thereby improving the generation. At the surface, you would see that we are painting the whole surface bright white. So that surface again is going to reflect the photons back onto the back side of the solar module. So the solar module will be generating electricity from both the sides, and the reflection makes the output much higher. And here you would see that the same modules have also been used as a parapet wall, as a vertical wall. So what I understand is that especially in Europe, in Sweden, Norway, etc., the modules are also act as a fall arrestor on balconies, on parapets, etc. So that's another good way of using them. So that's the same that we have demonstrated here as well.